Afternoon, and today we're going to have a wander around Washington Wetland Park. So let's begin. Washington Wetland Centre was opened in 1975. To a range of ducks, geese, other wading birds. It also has some Chilean pink flamingos, but they're not out today because it's too cold for them. What a shame. I remember back in the day I used to work for a company, and I don't know if you can remember Challenge Annika. As you phoned the company up and they were making a playground area for the kids. There was a series back in the day where she was challenged to do different things and ring around different companies to try and get them to give them free stuff. And pushed to open, there's a black swan sitting on a nest at the back.
Saw the sunrise over angels' wings. Washington's morning, it's a bird's daylight.
Mandarin duck there.
Ducks and geese, they spread their dreams.
You walk through the park, there's various ponds. There's also a wooded area, lagoon, and goes down as far as the river Weir.
Flamingos preening their peachy blues, dancing light with feathers thin. Through a joylands I see the sight, wildlife park where hearts take flight. Nature's theater from day to night. Every creature's story told in sunlight.
You can see the various ponds.
Geese honk loud like old time fun, waddling paths in search
I think they're smews.
ducks quack tales of skies they've won, wading birds, fish in sparkling streams. Otters gamble by the river bend, flippers flash in rippling glow. Flamingos twist in a pinkish trend, graceful arcs where breezes blow. Through a joy lens I see the sight, wildlife park where hearts take flight. Nature's theater from day to night. Every creature's story told in sunlight.
As you can see, some of the ponds are still frozen.
Otters gamble by the river bend, flippers flash in the rippling glow. Flamingos twist in a pinkish trend, graceful arcs where breezes blow. Through a joy lens I see the sight, wildlife park where hearts take flight. Nature's theater from day to night. Every creature's story told in sunlight.
And the Wetland Centre is open 10 o'clock every day from November till March. It's open till 4:30. March till the end of October is open till 5:30. Prices, it's £11.80 for an adult, and I think it's £7 something for a child, and children under 4 go free. There's a lagoon. A pension monument in the background. And this is coming down to Serene Lagoon. And this is the hide.
Through a Geordie lens I see quacking ducks by the silvery sea. Feathers ruffled, wind takes a leap. Wildlife secrets they never keep. Geese honk a tune under the sky, march in unison, passing by.
Just make my way
Feathers
parallel
glide
with the
like
river
an
Weir,
airy
which is just over there.
nature's ballet on a pristine street. Oh, Washington's wild, whispering tales, otters
quiet path.
splashing with their playful scales, birds crooning in the break of dawn. Here in the park where the wild runs on,
And that's
waiting
where
birds on slopes,
the water comes out from the park.
fishing
Into the river
tales
Weir.
from river silt. Bright pink flamingos taking a bow, bringing a splash of color now. Swans serenade with regal grace, glide smoothly like a calm embrace underneath the broad blue sky, hearing nature's lullaby. Oh, Washington's wild, whispering tales, otters splashing with their playful scales, birds crooning in the break of dawn. Here in the park where the wild roams on.
I think I'll give that a miss today. The kiddies play space. It's the same as this. Put a gate to stop you going through. I know you can lock it up, but could just leave it open for you to walk through, couldn't I? Nice and peaceful. And the thing just over there, you've got the A19, you've got the 1231 just up there, industrial estates and that, and this side's just over there. You see the factories over there. And this is Northwood. I don't know if you can see up in the distance the vehicles. That's A19. A bit of a meadow here. Aye. Someone certainly upset the blooming bulls. What do you think of it?
It would be nice in the summer. Wouldn't it?
Aye. Even got an observatory. Suppose in the night time will be pretty dark. Well, I've just found, I remember now, when I was telling you earlier in the video about Challenge Annika, it was for children in need, and it was in November 1991. That's when they done it, the children's play area. Well, if you've liked this video, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, give this video the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.